Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Hope we're all good today. Hope everyone is staying safe today. Hope we are staying blessed as well. So yeah, if you don't already know, I'm Okeke Jennifer, a Nigerian based YouTuber. I'm actually based in Abuja, Nigeria. So today I'm feeling like, I don't know, I'm feeling like a bad bitch because of this wig I'm wearing. So yeah, this hair is giving me a different vibe. It's giving me, like, you know, rocky vibe. So if you want to see me achieve this wig, just continue to watch the video from beginning to the end because it's a wig. So yeah, I'll give you guys all the details, everything you need to know about the hair. And the hair is so affordable, like very affordable. It's chicken change, trust me, you can afford it. And I made the hair without a closure. So yeah, just continue to watch the video from the beginning to the end. If you are new here, go ahead to subscribe and join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up, share the video to friends and family, and I would like to see your comments in the comment section below. I want to see, or I want to know what you think about the hair, if it actually suits me, because I think this is my first time of wearing this kind of hair, but I'm liking it anyways. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I'll see you guys in person in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye. So guys, before we start up this video, I am here is 100,000 subscribers plaque, and I'm grateful. I just received mine like a month ago. I'm so grateful, guys. Thank you for your love and support. I am happy. Thank you to YouTube, thank you to you guys, thank you to God. Like, so now YouTube knows me. And to add it up, Onyinye Okeke's TV is now verified. Guys, too many blessings coming up. Too many blessings. Thank you so much. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you, guys. I am grateful. Thank you. Here's the hair I'm using for today's tutorial. It's called First Lady Brazilian Bundle Wave in Fumi style. In a pack you get about 4 bundles, in which I'm going to use all 4 bundles, and it's affordable. It's a fiber hair, not human hair, and it costs about 2,000 to 2,500 naira. And then the wig cap actually costs about 500 naira. So totally you will spend about 3,000 or 2,500 naira. I feel it's really affordable. So in this video, apart from the hair, you'll be needing a needle, a wig cap, mannequin head, thread, and scissors. We just start off the sewing from the back of the wig cap, and I'm sewing in just one wave, but I'm not starting up from the very back of the wig cap. So like I said before, I'm starting out the sewing. I'm sewing in just one wave at the back, and as a beginner, I will advise you to just get a T-pins to help guide you while you sew in waves, because T-pins actually really helps. It keeps the hair in place while you're sewing in. Okay, this wig cap is a regular one. It comes in 2 types. The one that comes with lace closure in front, you can either box braid with it or install weave on, or you just get this normal one. This one is the one without lace wig in front. We'll leave the link to where you can easily get both the T-pins and wig cap on AliExpress, and I do have a detailed tutorial on how to shop on AliExpress. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. And if you are new here, you are new to sew in, I'm also going to leave a link of a detailed tutorial on how to sew in on both wig and also on like a human being. So yeah, that's both on a mannequin and human being, like real human being. So yeah, I'm going to leave the link or links to a very detailed tutorial, beginners friendly. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So yeah, I'm installing the hair like so, and I'm installing it in such a way that it's forming a U shape, like a very pronounced U shape, so that the style will come out very well. After sewing in the first bundle, for the second bundle I'm just going to start doubling the weft, just so that the middle part and the front part can be full enough. That's why I actually did it that way, or I'm doing it this way. The back, I want it to be a little bit scanty since the hair is long enough to meet up with the back, so the back will still be full, but I still want the front to be really full. I'm just doing the turnover method. I'm not cutting the hair. When I get to the end of a particular line, we just flip the hair to the next line and then use needle and thread to sew in the band and continue from there. We just continue sewing in from there. So that's the turnover method. I don't really want to stress much about sewing in, so I'm just going to allow you guys to just watch and see what I'm doing. So yeah, we'll continue sewing in basically on U shape or in a U shape form until I get to the front part where we're about to like do the closing. So yeah, we'll just allow you guys to enjoy your view. So when I noticed that the U shape is very pronounced in front, instead of still doing the turnover method, we'll start sewing in the hair round, like I'm doing the round closing method. And as I'm sewing round, I'm minimizing the space in front and sewing the hair very close to each other, so that maybe when I want to like part it, it can have a very flawless look. So yeah, at this point we'll allow you to just watch and see how I'm going to close the hair. No need for much explanation. You guys just enjoy your view and get a better understanding. When the weft gets very close, like pretty much close to each other, we just go ahead to join the both wefts. That's, I'll take my needle and thread to just join the last weft to each other. Just make it invisible like that. You guys just watch and see. For styling, I'm just wearing the hair first, but you can style the hair in any way you want to. But for me, I'm just going to go for a fringe cut. We'll just start for the fringe cut. We'll just start by taking a scissors to trim off the front, just so that it will fit my face. You can actually trim it off long, that's the front part. You can trim it off long or short depending on your face shape. So yeah, for me, I'm just going a little bit, just a little bit above my brows, just a little bit, or just around my brows. So yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching the video from beginning to the end. Hope it's helpful. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe if you haven't. Share the video to friends and family. I would like to see your comments in the comment section below, and give the video a big thumbs up. So stay blessed. Bye.